Good morning everyone. Welcome to Update Study Practice channel. We are discussing about Tnpsc question paper. The name of the question paper is Assistant Agricultural Officer in Tamil Nadu Agri Extension Subordinate Service and Assistant Horticultural Officer in the Tamil Nadu Horticultural Subordinate Service, which was held at April 17, 2021. Already we saw up to 11 sums. Now we are moving to 12th sum, and the question is, let M be the midpoint and B be the upper limit of a class in a continuous frequency distribution. The lower limit of the class is what? So let M be the midpoint and B be the upper limit of a class in a continuous frequency distribution. The lower limit of the class is what? So in a frequency distribution, there is a formula to find the midpoint. Midpoint is equal to upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So here they given midpoint as M. So midpoint is M and the B be the upper limit. So upper limit is B and we don't know about the lower limit, that we have to find out. So lower limit we can take it as X. So substitute in this formula. Midpoint is M, upper limit U is B, the lower limit L is X divided by 2. This is M, midpoint U, this is L. So let's cross multiply it. 2M equal to B plus X. Take the B to the opposite side. 2M minus B, which is X. This is the answer. X is the lower limit. We found out the lower limit equation. So this is a formula. You just note down it in the formula section. Please note down it. Using this formula, we can derive the lower limit equation. Okay. Now we are moving to 13th sum. In a max note, leave last three pages for formula section. For every question paper, there is a new formula will arrive. So note down the formula at the last page. Okay. The 13th question is, the value of 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on 15 cube minus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus 15. So is what? The value of 1 cube plus 2 cube up to 15 cube minus the same 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 15 is what? Here also there is a formula for continuous number with the cube n into n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the formula for 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on up to 15. Okay, here n is nothing but 15, the last number. From the given pattern, the last number is called as n. So substitute n in this formula. 15 into 15 plus 1 divided by 2. So 15 into 16 divided by 2. Divide it. 15 into 8 are 120. So n into n plus 1 divided by 2 is 120. We found out for this. This one is 120. If you square it, we can get the answer for this. For this, the formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2, the whole square, is a formula to find out for every cube of natural numbers. So 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube up to so on, every cube of continuous natural number. This is the formula. We already found out n into n plus 1 is 120. So substitute and square it. So 120 n into n plus 1 is 120 and then square. So 120 into 120. So 12 into 12 are, we already know, 144. And this 0, 0. So double the 0. Now here they asked subtraction. So 120 the whole square minus 120. The whole square minus 120, which is nothing but 14400 minus 120. We already found now here. This one is the second one and this one is the first one. So here answer is 120 square minus 120. So 1440 minus 120. Therefore subtract this 1. 400 means 500. 20 means 80. So 100 means 300. If you minus 100, it's 300. Then again minus 20 means 280. So 4280. So this is the answer, 14280. Can you clear about it? If you have any doubt, please comment me. This is a simple sum, but we have to remember the formula. So here The formula is note down in the formula section. I am writing here. Here the formula is to find the midpoint of continuous frequency distribution is U plus L divided by 2. This is the one formula. And to find the continuous pattern of natural numbers up to 15 is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. This is excuse me, this is one formula. Another one is, if you find the same number in a cube pattern up to 15 or up to 100, anything, or either it up to 50 or 100, but it should be in continuous pattern. Here also like that only, cube, 15 cube or 100 cube, let's go on. So for everything, n into n plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square. Okay, this is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square. It may be a number, can vary, but it should be in continuous form, 1, 2, 3, like that it should be in the question. Okay, this is the third formula. So note down it in the last 3 pages. So here we conclude. Tomorrow we can see with next sum. If you have any doubt, please comment me. Thank you. Happy day. All the very best. Please share and subscribe my channel. Bye.